Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by preparing an edible base. Pick papier cones or foam balls and lightly mist with clear spray adhesive so sugar will stick. Once done, separate spun sugar into color batches and add a drop of food coloring, folding gently to keep fibers. Make sure to have scissors and 1/2 cup cornstarch nearby to prevent sticking. You do this because a tacky surface and pre-colored sugar produce defined shapes quickly and reduce rework. You now build the main shape by applying thin passes of sugar, rotating the cone or base as you go to maintain even coverage. Once a layer is laid, press very gently to form curves. This keeps the fibers fluffy but stable. Make sure to use a small paintbrush to nudge stray strands and add a touch more adhesive where structure looks weak, because targeted tackiness prevents sagging. Remember to step back and trim edges for a clean silhouette before moving on. You finish by sealing the decoration with a very light, even mist of clear spray to lock fibers without matting them, and then let it cure in an airtight container for 24-48 hours to harden slightly. Once cured, handle minimally and store with a silica packet to keep humidity out. If a section collapses, act quickly. Reapply adhesive only to the failing area and layer fresh spun sugar in thin passes to rebuild volume. This targeted repair saves the rest of the piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.